why you may not be losing weight. So before I lost all my weight, it was a point where I wasn't losing anything. So I'm like, I just felt like I was meant to be fat. But it was just, I was just overeating. That was it. So I want to give you some quick tips on how you can lose weight when you feel like you have not been losing weight, or even if you plateaued. So I'm gonna give you some tips that help me and might help you as well. So the first thing, overeating. That's a plain and simple ugly truth. You may be overeating, and that was my main problem. I swear, once I started to intermittent fast. When I mean the weight start peeling off, it started peeling off immediately. And that's because I was still putting in the work at the gym. I was working out, I was doing my cardio and all that, but I was overeating. Try intermittent fasting. That's what's been helping me. I still intermittent fast, but when it's around that time of the month, I do not intermittent fast. Around that time of the month, I get so hungry, but that's not here or there. So you may be overeating. Also, you probably are backed up as well. You need to have a bowel movement regularly, and to help you with that, you can of course detox, drink a lot of water. Also, you can drink water with lemon and mint. What I mean, it will clean you out so quickly. It will clean you out. And also fiber. Taking fiber is going to help you lose weight as well. It's going to help you with a bowel movement. And another reason why you might not be losing weight is you're not working out enough. So you don't have to work out every day. You do not have to work out every day. Don't let anyone tell you that you have to work out every day. 3 times a week is good, but you have to do cardio. When you first start with your workout journey, you have to start off with cardio. You have to lose the weight. You cannot add muscle on top of fat. You have to lose the weight. So you do cardio. And you don't have to run. You do not have to run. I like to do a fast-paced walk on a treadmill with a high incline, and it works wonders, and you will be dripping with sweat. Also, make sure you're taking multivitamins regularly as well. And another thing is, maybe you're having too much of a cheat meal or a cheat day, but when you hit plateau, you need a cheat meal. You need a cheat meal, but then after that meal, you have to get back straight to your diet. So if you feel like you plateaued, that may help. Doing a cheat meal and jump right back into the diet. That's it on my tips on how to lose weight when you feel like you are plateau. I don't know what to name the video, but these tips were short. It would go straight to the point. Every time I do my tutorial, go straight to the point. And I feel like it was helpful because literally everything that I listed helped me on my workout journey.